Welcome to the channel Self-Taught Developer. My name is Frano and I'm your host at this channel where I will show you my journey and also all the steps I have took to learn how to code and to become a full-stack web developer with JavaScript. Later on I will also show other videos what I will learn and also all the obstacles and also all the questions I currently have. The current knowledge that I have about JavaScript is pretty simple, almost nothing, because I have a few WordPress websites which I'm using with a web page builder, so not using a completely HTML, CSS or JavaScript. And I would like to make some kind of projects that I currently have as an idea. And I will also show you later on in this presentation what is the goal and also what is the project. So here is a few details about me. The portfolio of the projects that I want to build is the currency strength meter. I have found this project on the web, on the net, and also on the internet, and also it is something that I am curious and I would like to make a similar one. And also I will show other projects later on in the following videos as I move forward. So just a minute, let's put this one, second one, okay. Here are the details a little bit about myself. I'm currently 36 years old. I have a degree in the Master of Science in Information and Communication Technology. Currently I know the C, or I know the basics, so I am not at all connected with the JavaScript and also web development. So I can say I know almost nothing, but I cannot say nothing because I have a website with a WordPress. So I know at least something how the website works and also what is the server and also domain and also some kind of hosting, and that's all. So in following videos I will also share what I know and also what I do not know, so you will see what is my knowledge about this. Currently I am a head of the electrical department and also I have a few engineers in that department. I am working inside a manufacturing company, which is, the job is great, very interesting, and also I really like to work on that project. But this is some kind of my hobby, currently working with the websites, so this is something I do in my free time. So this is something that I would like to learn more, because knowing how to use JavaScript and also other programming languages helps sometimes in also current job and also in some kind of life cases that you encounter on. So currently I am located in Europe. So for now, later on, maybe in the following videos, I'll also share with you which country, but later on that this is something that's not so important right now. What is my goal? The goal is to make my ideas come to life. So the first one is build a web app that shows currency strength meter. And also there are other web apps that I will show during my journey. And for now, I know that I need to learn front-end and back-end, because the currency strength meter is a full-stack web app, because I need to know how to pull the data from somewhere and also show them to the visitor on the website. And the goal is to reach that in 1.5 years. So is it possible to make that earlier than this one? I don't know, but if you are following me, you will see that. And also maybe there are some other ideas that I will develop in my journey that I will share with you. So what is my why? I want to learn on my own by using the free and paid online material, because online courses can be paid and free. Some of them are better than some of them not, but as I move forward I will also research what is the best. Is it best to use Udemy with the paid online courses or free from the YouTube? I will also watch tutorials, so I will also share my insights, what I think it's not good, what is good, and also which one of them are good to recommend to you or someone else to learn from them. So what I would like to learn is also online projects available from other developers, because on the YouTube you can find many projects that have been built with JavaScript or other programming languages that can be also an idea for you to build your portfolio. But for now I know I can learn what is needed because others have made it, so I think at least I can. So this is not an obstacle for me. I have the will and also I have the goal, I have the project, and also I want to learn how to solve the problems. And currently this is something as a first goal that is pushing me forward. And how to do that? My project will be done from Monday to Friday, so 5 days in a week. I will wake up in the morning at 4 a.m. and learn until 6 a.m. Later on I will go to my full-time job, and after that I will be with my family. So each day in the morning I will spend 1.5 up to 2 hours to work on this project, to learn how to program a web app. So the journey is to share my daily and weekly steps I have took to become a web developer. I would like to show you what are my questions currently without knowing anything about the web development. So maybe you also find those questions interesting, and also I will find the solution for them. So I hope that my solution and also my learning will help you to understand how to solve these problems at the start of your, for example, of your journey. But I think, and also I hope that I will learn everything in detail, so I can also build my project. I will also show what problems and obstacles I have experienced, because when I experience something I will try to share with you in more details so you understand, and also maybe you will have some kind of feeling what kind of those problems were, and also what obstacles I have encountered, and also what I have done to solve those problems. I want also to share my problems and also solutions so you can also learn from them. What I have found is on the internet, on the YouTube also, it's missing those details. What kind of issues do people have when they start programming, learning how to code, and also what is the solution? Most of the time you have what they think, and also what they would like to know when they have started to learn how to code. I hope and I will try to share with you immediately at the current moment when I am experiencing this problem, to show you what is the problem and also what is the solution for that. And also what I've written here is to be a guide for others by showing what I know, so I become a better by teaching. And also what I have seen when watching lots of videos on the YouTube is that when you want to learn something, many of these people who have their channels, they recommend to teach someone what you are learning. So when you teach someone what you're currently learning, you will become better. And from my experience, from 10 years of working in the company, I know that is correct. And that's why I'm also starting this channel and also a website to show you, and also by showing you I will learn in more details, because this is forcing me to learn more details to show you in simplified way so you can understand. And also I have other YouTube channel. Currently I'm also having a channel about trading on the Forex. So this is something that is already known to me, and I know that is pretty helpful to share the details and also the knowledge with others, because this is forcing me to learn more in detail this topic. So I know this will be very helpful. So what is the motivation? For example, have flexible work time, which is currently I also have in company, but have more time with my family, have more money to be able to make my life easier, because sometimes this hobby can also be a profitable one, because when you make the channel you also make the money with your ads. If you are also making some kind of project on the side, you also can make money. And also what is the fulfillment for me is by making my ideas come true. I really like to work on the problems and also find the solution to that problem. Also what I like to do is when I'm working on something, currently also in my company where I work, I also like to find an issue and also to make it more productive. Spend less time on some problem, make faster, spend less resources, and also simplify some kind of a job that you are currently using, to automate that, to simplify, making less steps, and so on and so on. This is my motivation, and that's why I would like to learn how to develop something in the JavaScript and also to make this web app, because I think this will be a very useful app for the users who like to see a currency string meter. And also my motivation is to share my current knowledge, which currently I have running the team of engineers. So this is my goal, because I think I have something to share with you. And also what I do is also making interviews with the potential employers. So I think this will be also very useful for you to see what I'm thinking, also what I'm asking the people who are applying to job in my company. So maybe you will learn some kind of steps that is pretty useful to write in your resume and also in your CV, and to talk when you come to the conversation with me. So if you are interested how this will end, feel free to subscribe, because I will try to put videos on a weekly basis, sometimes maybe daily. It depends on which problem I encounter and also when I found the solution. And also if there is any topic currently that I'm having a problem with inside the coding and also learning how to code, I will share that in a video. So it will be at least weekly, I hope, a video from my learning lesson, and projects that I will build will be on a website. I have opened a website which is called selft-taught.developer.com. You can also visit it currently at this moment, and you will see it's empty, completely nothing. I have only a domain and a hosting, and that's all. So the website is completely empty. What is my goal is, when I build one kind of the projects, I will put a link and you will see that projects on the website. So I will start with the simplest one and build as I move forward. Each time when I build a new project, there will be another link. So you will see following by links from the start to the end. For example, page 1, page 2, page 3, you will see my progress in learning how to code. So I hope this will show you what you can expect in the journey when you start programming and learning web development in the JavaScript. Also, I will share the details, what online courses and tutorials I have used to learn. So I've seen on the YouTube that many people are asking which tutorial to watch, which online course to buy, and also what is the right steps to learn something. For example, I will share my knowledge and also my experience how to learn web development with JavaScript. And that means starting from scratch up to end, and to become a full stack developer. And that means what is the front end and also the back end. That's all, as I can see. This is all from this video. I hope this will be interesting for you, and also you will join in my journey. Maybe you also can start learning if you are at the same position. So if you would like, feel free to subscribe and like the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And also I will read these comments and also answer to those questions if there is any. So that's all for now. See you in the next video, and happy coding!